The filters are located under the glove box. Remove the 2 screws that secure the panel to the vehicle and remove it.
Subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.
Slide the housing cover toward the rear of the vehicle to remove it and, if needed, pull down on the 2 old filters to remove them. Install the new filters into the housing with their airflow indicator arrows pointing toward the passenger side of the vehicle. The 2 filters are different and will only fit into their designated slots. Reinstall the housing cover by sliding it toward the front of the vehicle, locking it into place. Reinstall the panel below the glove box. It has a tab in the middle that secures it to the vehicle. Reinstall the 2 screws that secure the panel.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.